Hello guys and welcome. As you can see, I am at 18,573 in my ETFs and stocks. And I can't believe it, but this year was a really good year. It was the best year in case of my whole investment life. It is insane to see how I gained almost around 4,000 in profit, and we grow continuously, and it's really great to see how everything works. And to get my first 20k, we have to put money into my account. For that, we click on transfer and pay, transfer funds, deposit funds, choose the bank which we want to use to transfer our money from our bank to an active broker account. And now the most important thing, how much we want to invest. In my case, it is 800. Now we have to wait a couple of days until the money is on my active broker account, and you will see what I want to invest with it. And now let us start with Amazon. I want to invest in Amazon because I think in decades, and for me it could open up a couple of new doors, and I think they will be number one in robotics and all the other stuff which they're doing. So with that, I want to buy around 400 USD in Amazon stock. It will be almost 2 stocks if we want to be exactly 1.73 in Amazon stocks. The next stock that I want to buy is Google. I bought it already a lot in the past, and it is still my biggest single stock position in my portfolio, and I have an average price of 175 and it's currently at 270, but I want to grow that as well. I don't put a lot of money in it, but I think as well in decades, so it will most probably grow in a couple of years further. So I want to buy around 100 USD, which results in 0.37 in shares of Google, and let us submit that order. Last but not least, I have still around 500 USD left, and I want to build up my S&P 500, which I'm still not able to outperform. And you can see it is at the all-time high since the tariffs situation in April. It is right now at almost 633, and I bought it with an average price of 549. If it's still growing in the next couple of years, I will build this position up to around 100k. And for that, I will put in 500 USD and submit my order. So in this video, I bought VOO, my S&P 500, I bought Google, and I bought Amazon. And it feels really great to see that I'm almost at 20k, and we have still 2 months left for this year, and I already are at my goal for this year. And never forget, this is a goal which you can't choose. You can just say, I will put every month around $800 to $1,000 inside of my broker, because all the other components are not in my power. I can't choose if Donald Trump posts anything and the market go down, or any new tariffs or other situation will happen in the next time. But what I can do is thinking about my portfolio, about my net worth, and create my wealth over time. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.
It's not a game, it's a